Namaskar students. So we were taking a chapter called as challenges in front of the democracy. So what are the problems, what are the challenges that we are facing as a democracy? First, we have discussed in the last chapter caste, how the caste is very problematic to the Indian democracy. Now we will discuss how this feeling of communalism is very dangerous for this nation. So first let us discuss what is the meaning of this communalism. So it is basically a phenomena in which a religious, cultural or linguistic group, according to its consciousness, community consciousness, consider itself a separate class and a political demands on the basis of religion. ये एक ऐसा कंसेप्ट है जो रिलीजियस, कल्चरल, लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पे होता है और जिसके अंदर एक कम्युनिटी खुद को सेपरेट क्लास के रूप में देखती है एंड on the basis of this separate class it makes demands on the basis of this separatism, or these demands are over your national and social interest, and these demands are very dangerous for the nation. So ये मतलब है definition of communalism. और कम्युनलिज्म का देख लेते हैं इंडिया के अंदर इसका ओरिजिन कहाँ होता है. तो ये ओरिजिन होता है ब्रिटिशर्स के द्वारा. ब्रिटिशर्स थ्रू देयर अपीसमेंट पॉलिसीज़ and through various policies had done this work. Firstly, they have appeased Hindus, then they have appeased Muslims. So through this appeasement they developed a class consciousness, and because of this development of class consciousness, we all know a separate state called as Pakistan is separated from India, and instead even today there is a feeling of communalism in India, and this is growing over and over. So this is very problematic area for the nation if we want to develop ourselves. So let us discuss what are the problems for this communalism. First is the bitter memories of division. It means the division of India into India and Pakistan is the problems of communalism, where it has been said that Pakistan is for Muslims and India is for Hindus. So this thinking is the reason for this communalism. Second is your feeling of separation for the interest vested by political parties. The political parties like AIMIM, SIMI, these political parties somehow try to make their political gains, and because of when they try to make this political gains, they somehow developed communalism among some separate groups or some communities in India. So this is the second point related to the political parties. Third is the economic backwardness and social backwardness of Muslims. Because of this backwardness, these political parties used to garnish their votes, used to attract their voters or sections of people because of the feeling of communalism arose. So fourth is your Pakistan propaganda and conspiracy. Pakistan always tried to create problems in India by sending some messengers in the form of terrorism, and also try to also try to send monies through the black channels to India, so the feeling of communalism can generate, like it is doing in Kashmir. Also, it is also funding some terrorist organization like SIMI, Student Islamic Movement of India. So these are very problematic for the development of the nation. Fifth is apathy, and the government is not paying heed to this communal feeling in the nation. Party politics, faction politics and electoral politics. We have already discussed that political parties are working according to the whims and fancies of some separate electorates, separate voters who only try to inculcate, who only tries to communalize the feelings in India. Next is your appeasement politics. There are some political parties, you all know, they try to play with the votes, they try to play with the voters through their appeasement politics by providing some concession to them. So providing concession is very dangerous. Next is political vote banks. You already know this concept, I will not discuss. Foreign money, I have already discussed. China and Pakistan and some Middle East countries are pumping their money in India, in the missionaries activities. Like European countries are pumping in money for the Christian missionaries in the tribal areas, while some Muslim countries are pumping their money in the Muslim majority areas. So this is a very dangerous thing. This can create a feeling of communalism in India. Next is what can be the repercussion of communism. क्या हो सकता है अगर कम्युनिज्म देश के अंदर होता है? तो पहला, म्यूचुअल हेट्रेड, नफ़रत होगी लोगों के बीच में. इकोनॉमिक लॉस, दंगे होंगे, प्रॉपर्टी को जलाया जाएगा, देश के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट फैटल फॉर लाइफ, बहुत लोग मरते भी हैं दंगों में के अंदर. पॉलिटिकल अनस्टेबिलिटी, दंगे होते हैं तो मैनी टाइम्स पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैव टू रिज़ाइन, लाइक 6 दिसंबर 1992 आफ्टर द फॉल ऑफ बाबरी मस्जिद various BJP state governments have to resign. Next, national unities. National unity means we are one instead, we are one, whether it is caste, creed, color, religion and any other sect. हमारे कोई चीज़ नहीं रोक सकती है, वी आर यूनाइटेड. तो ये भी क्या ऑब्स्टिकल्स हो सकता है नेशनल यूनिटी के अंदर. नेक्स्ट, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी को थ्रेट. If this communalism will arise in India, it will be threat to national security because it will generate a feeling of separatism and terrorism. Next, obstacle in the industrial and commercial development. Of course, ही बात है. When the nation of when the government of the nation is fighting with communalism, then how can it focus on industrial and communal development and commercial development? Sorry. Now, what can be the suggestion to remove this communalism? First, government should play a policy of equality. Second, spiritual values and internal moral values should be inculcated in the school education like we are studying. Next, no special concession or appeasement to any community or religion. Okay, next is providing minorities with sense of security in this nation. It is very important. There's the small groups should have the security in this nation. Next, electoral politics. The political parties who are using this electoral method or who are using this elections or campaigning only to propagate the communal feeling, they should be debarred from fighting elections. Next, the government should fix any communal or language policy. Next, government should promote humanism and media should also play a very important role in development of this humanism instead of any communal feeling. Is there any committee which was formed for this removing of communalism in India? Yes, it is Sachar committee. Sachar committee has given its recommendation and also talked about the education, social and economic backwardness of Muslims. Why the Muslims are so backward. So all this have been provided in this Sachar committee. Next, what is the causes of communalism? First, divide and rule policy of Britishers. Only this point is provided in your book. So this is the short lecture on the communalism. Okay, bye.